Did you know modern medical science can safely increase your height or correct limb deformities? Today, we'll explain the science behind the limb lengthening procedure, how it works, and the advanced techniques like the Ilizarov Method and Internal Lengthening Nails. Limb lengthening works on a fascinating biological principle called distraction osteogenesis. The surgeon carefully cuts the bone, creating a small gap. As the bone naturally heals, new bone tissue grows in that space, gradually increasing length. One of the most well-known techniques is the Ilizarov Method. This uses an external circular frame connected to the bone with thin wires. Every day, the frame is adjusted slightly to widen the gap, usually by about 1 millimeter. This method is highly effective for correcting deformities, handling complex fractures, and achieving remarkable limb lengthening with precise control. A more modern and aesthetic option is internal lengthening nails. These are telescopic rods placed inside the bone. They slowly extend using either a magnetic system or a motorized mechanism. Most patients really prefer this approach because there's no external frame, you get fewer scars, less infection risk, and a more comfortable recovery experience. Rehabilitation actually plays a really critical role in limb lengthening. Physiotherapy helps maintain joint mobility, reduce stiffness, and strengthen your muscles as the bone slowly grows. Most patients begin walking with support really early on, and consistent rehab ensures a smoother, faster recovery. At MediGence, we connect you with globally recognized orthopedic specialists and accredited hospitals, offering both Ilizarov and internal nail procedures. You receive transparent treatment packages, teleconsultations, and end-to-end support, from planning your journey all the way to rehabilitation guidance. MediGence ensures your limb lengthening journey is safe, expert-led, and seamlessly managed. Visit www.medigence.com and take your first step toward a confident future.